Chapter 2, Polynomials, Exercise 2.1. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression represented Px of the form a0 a1x a2x square plus dash 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 an xn is called the polynomial of degree n. जो हाईएस्ट पावर होती है, हाईएस्ट पावर is called degree of polynomial. जो डिग्री होती है it is a whole number. whole number होता है रेशनल नंबर नहीं, इंटीजर नेगेटिव नंबर्स नहीं, और यू कैन से दैट पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. पॉजिटिव numbers. Now where a0 a1 a2 dash 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 ये क्या होते हैं? a0 a1 a2 an are the real numbers. a0 a1 a2 dash 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 an are the real numbers. और इसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट. और ये an जो है लास्ट, ये जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ये जीरो हो गया तो वो डिग्री एन में इक्वेशन नहीं आएगी. एंड इट इज वन वेरिएबल इन एक्स. ये पूरी किस में है? एक्स में है. सो इट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ व्हाट इज मोनोमियल? of course monomial, all of you know that the term monomial. If it is one term, अगर एक टर्म होती है तो वो क्या कहलाता है? मोनोमियल. जैसे 2x, it is a monomial. What is binomial? two term जो दो टर्म है वो बाइनोमियल कहलाएगा. 2x plus 2. वेरिएबल के साथ में जो होता है, दिस इज वेरिएबल्स. इसके साथ में क्या है? a1 a2 an. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल. कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल. अब ऐसे अपने कोर्स में ट्राइनोमियल 3 टर्म्स 2x square plus 4x plus 5 like this. ये ट्राइनोमियल हैविंग 3 टर्म्स. ये सब क्या है? वन वेरिएबल में. ये भी हो सकता है 2x plus 3y plus 3z. It is trinomial but not in one variable. ट्राइनोमियल तो है, 3 टर्म्स है, but 3 variables are there, x, y, z. In our course we studied about one variable. Okay. Now what is linear polynomial? Now what is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial क्या होता है? जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो? 1 हो. डिग्री 1. Like that. ax plus b. That is called linear polynomial. जिसकी डिग्री 2 हो, that is quadratic polynomial. Degree 2. What is quadratic? Degree 2. And what is cubic? Degree 3. And what is cubic polynomial? Degree 3. So what we studied till now? Polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, cubic polynomial, quadratic, linear polynomial. Question number first. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Stated. Which of the following are polynomial? Which of the following are polynomial in one variable? You have to find out in one variable. First is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. See this equation. It is quadratic power 2. It is quadratic power 2. And see here x and constant. You can say that it is the one variable polynomial. One variable. Now, question second. Y square plus root 2. It is also a polynomial. But in the variable y, only one variable you see here and degree 2. So it is one variable or not? Yes. Root 2 is constant. Its power is 1 by 2, but it is not the power of variable. So it is a polynomial in one variable polynomial. Now, can you tell me about the third part? 3 root 2 plus t root 2. It is polynomial or not? See here, root 2 को we write 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Here, what is the variable? Variable is t, one variable. But the degree जो है, degree is not whole number. Degree is not whole number. So it is not a polynomial. ये polynomial नहीं है. So it is not a polynomial. Now, one more part. You see here, x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. It is polynomial or not? It is polynomial. But the question is, it is in one variable or not? So answer is, it is not a polynomial in one variable because here are 3 variables. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Question 2. Write the coefficient of, you have to write the coefficients of x square. You have to write the coefficient of x square. First part, 2 plus x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square? X square के साथ में कौन सा real number है या constant है? You have to write. If nothing is there, it means 1 is there. So what is the coefficient of x square? Is 1. Now see here, second part, 2 minus x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square? X square के साथ में क्या minus, but outside minus nothing is there. So you have to make, उसको क्या मानेंगे? Coefficient of x square is -1. Third part, pi upon 2x square plus 1. Now see here, what is the coefficient of x square? Is pi by 2. Fourth part, root 2 x minus 1. In this equation you have seen that there is no value of x square. X square है ही नहीं इसमें. So what is the coefficient of x square? Is 0. क्या होएगा? 0. Now question third, give one example of binomial of degree जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 35 हो. तो अपन लिख सकते हैं कुछ भी y to the power या 3y to the power 35. binomial two terms are there, you can write 5. This is many examples you write. And of a monomial of degree 100. दूसरा क्या पूछ रहा है? मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 100. तो किसी भी वेरिएबल पे आप डिग्री 100 लगा दीजिए. These are the examples of monomial of degree 100. Now write the in question 4. In question, now we will start question 4. In question 4, it is very easy. You have to write the degree. Write the degree of the polynomial. First part, 5x cube plus x square plus 7x. What is degree? जो highest power होगी वो क्या कहलाएगी? डिग्री. So in this degree is 3. Highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Second, now you see this second part, 4 minus y square. What is the degree? Highest power? Degree is 2. Now see here, fourth part. Only 3. It is a constant polynomial. कुछ नहीं है. तो डिग्री क्या होगी? इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. x to the power 0, y to the power 0. It means degree is, जो डिग्री है वो क्या है? 0. Right now, classify question 5th. You have to classify the linear, quadratic and cubic. You have to classify the linear, quadratic and cubic. First part देखिए क्या है? x square plus x. See, जो हाईएस्ट पावर है वो इक्वेशन बताएगी कि डिग्री क्या है उसकी. डिग्री जो है वो बताएगा लीनियर है, क्वाड्रेटिक है. सबसे पहले डिग्री चेक करेंगे. क्या है इसकी डिग्री हाईएस्ट? 2. इसकी डिग्री क्या है? 2. हाईएस्ट पावर कितनी है? 2. तो डिग्री कितनी हो गई? 2. तो डिग्री भी 2 हो गई. तो इट इज क्या है? क्वाड्रेटिक. नाउ सी अनदर वन, fourth one, 1 plus x. What is highest power? 1. So एक ध्यान से हो गई, जब 1 होती है पावर तो क्या कहलाती है? लीनियर. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. 2.2 zeros of polynomial. I will tell you by the example. Suppose this is the equation. This is polynomial is represented by px. So you have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So what you do, you make px is equal to 0. इसको अपन 0 कर देंगे. It means 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you have to find the value of x by transposition. 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन में x को क्या रख दूं? -2/3 रख दूं, सी 2 into -3/2 plus 3, 2 -3 plus 3, it becomes 0. इस x जो है -3/2, x क्या है? रियल नंबर है, इट इज व्हाट? रियल नंबर। अगर रियल नंबर को मैंने -3/2 को इस इक्वेशन में पुट कर दिया तो इक्वेशन क्या आ गई? 0 आ गई। तो px क्या हो गया? 0 हो गया। क्या रखने पे 0 हुआ? -3/2 रखने पे 0 हुआ। सो -3/2 is a 0 of a polynomial. Now start exercise 2.2. Find the value of the polynomial. Question first. Find the, इसमें क्या करना है? वैल्यू निकालनी है। वैल्यू ऑफ polynomial. Polynomial is given to you. I will take first part. Polynomial क्या दिया है? 5x minus 4x square. At first part, अगर x क्या दिया हो? 0. If x is 0, what is the polynomial of value of the polynomial? What is the value of the polynomial? जहां पे भी x है वहां क्या करेंगे? 0 रख देंगे। 5 into 0 minus 4 0 का square plus 3, anything multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 is 0. So the value of polynomial क्या आ गई? वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 3 आ गई। थर्ड पार्ट देखो इसको। अगर x को क्या लें? 2 लें। अगर x is 2 तब इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ, जहां पे भी x है वहां क्या रखेंगे आप? व्हाट आई राइट? 5 into 2 minus 4 to the power 2 plus 3, 10 minus 2 to the 4, 4 into 4 minus 16 plus 3, 13 minus 16 is equal to -3. So in this way you have to find the value of the polynomial. Second question is same but asking pattern, पूछा उसने दूसरे तरीके से है. So we will start second question. Question number 2. Same. The way of asking is different. P0, P1, P2 for each of the following. Find P0, P1, P2 निकालना है. क्या निकालना? P0, P1, P2. I will take second part. Pt 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. 2 plus t square minus t cube. Okay. Now here what is x? We have to first what we have to find? P0 निकालना है. Here variable is t. तो we put t is equal to 0. जहां पे भी t है वहां क्या रख देंगे? 0 रख देंगे. तो क्या आ जाएगा देखिए. t की जगह 0 रखा तो p0 बन गया. 2 plus 0 plus 2 0 का square 0 minus 0 cube. 0 0 0 everything is 0. Only what is that? 2. So what is the value of p0? 2. Similarly you have to find p1. p1 कैसे निकालेंगे? जहां पे भी t है we put 1. So ये p1 बन गया. t की जगह पर ने क्या रख दिया? 1 रख दिया. तो p1. So wherever t you write wherever it is t you write 1. 1 2 plus 1 plus 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का क्यूब. सो 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. This is cancel out and the answer is 4. Now what is the value of P2? T को आप क्या रख देंगे? T को क्या रखेंगे? 2 रखेंगे, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? P2 2 plus 2 square minus 2 cube. See here, 2 plus 2 is 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. It will 4. What is the value of P2? क्या आ गई? 4 आ गई. P1 also 4 और P0 2. In this way you have to do this question. Question number 3. You have to verify the zeros, verify whether following are zeros of polynomial. Whether following are zeros of polynomial. I will take question number 2. Px is equal to 5x minus pi, x equals to 4 upon 5. X equals to 4 upon 5. Now, you have to check if I put the value of x, it becomes 0 or not. अगर 0 है तो 0 का zeros of the polynomial होगा. If it is not 0, then it is not a polynomial, 0 of the polynomial. Put x here. X is 4 upon 5 minus pi. 4 minus pi. Pi is irrational number, है ना? This is rational number, so it is not a zero of polynomial. It is not a zero of polynomial. It is not a zero of polynomial. One more part I will do. Fourth part. Px is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2, x is given to you minus 1 and 2. Now put the value of x. एक बार x क्या देंगे? minus 1. So जहाँ पे भी x है वहाँ क्या रखेंगे? minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So this is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So minus 1 is a zero of polynomial. Now, अब क्या लेंगे x? अब दूसरा क्या दिया हुआ है? x2. x2 लेंगे तो p2 is equal to 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. तो 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So 2 is a zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial. So 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. 4 and 5 are not the zero of polynomial. Now similarly, question number 4. इसमें आपको ओनली चेक ही करना था कि ये इक्वेशन को जीरो बना रहा है कि नहीं बना रहा है. Question number 4. Find the zero of the polynomial. Find करना है. Find the zero of the polynomial. Starting में आगे किया था. How will you find zeros of the polynomial? Suppose first px is equal to x plus 5. मतलब px का ये zero कब होगी इक्वेशन? What is the value of x? -5 रखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा तो -5. तो how will you find out? X plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? -5. So -5 is zero of polynomial. Similarly, fourth part, px is equal to 3x minus 2. px 0 कब होगा 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. अगर इसमें x की जगह मैं क्या रख दूं 2 by 3 रख दूं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 0 हो जाएगा. तो 2 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial.